Storage in Sky Factory 4 early game can be quite limited, but here are some things to help you out. First of all, if you press L and go to the chest icon, you can actually see the storage we're going to get later in the late game, especially using things like iron. There will be a tutorial placed here, once I've made it, which will show you how to use iron to make a really cool storage system. However, for now, we have only got wood, so the only options you have is a standard chest, a wooden crate which is made with 6 planks and a chest, or wooden barrel which is 6 planks, a cauldron which is made with 7 planks, and 2 wooden pressure plates. They're both pretty much the same in storage capacity. As you can see, they both hold 4.1k, but it's also kind of off looks. All you need to do is walk up to one, right click the item, and it'll actually put it in. So you can see we've got 0 stacks, but we have got 28. And if I double click my right mouse button, it'll actually put all the wood in my inventory into the barrel. Now, if I left click, it'll take a stack out, or if I crouch and left click, I can take individual ones out at a time, just holding it in my inventory and right clicking to put that individual stack back in. Now, once again, the wooden crate is pretty similar, and I would recommend having this for things like wood, as you're going to get quite a lot from all the trees you have to chop down. Although there are better options later on, so I wouldn't waste too much wood, but if you're running out of storage, this is what I also recommend. Additionally, there is actually a mod in the mod pack that if you go on the chest and click your middle mouse button, it will actually organize it by the amount of things you have. So for example, let's put my petrified saplings at the top because I have most of them. This will actually make it nice and neat for you, so it's easier to locate groups of things if that is what you're doing. This has been a Sky Factory 4 tutorial.